Should you go for a regular college or you should opt for a private college? If you're someone who has just cleared their 12th standard, then I'm damn sure this is one of your key doubts. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're seeing me for the first time, my name is Norin Khatri. I'm an ACCA affiliate and I just love to create videos for my fellow ACCA students. So a lot of students are messaging me like, Norin, is it compulsory to go with the graduation along with ACCA or not? And if yes, then which college should we prefer, like regular college or a private one? Because ACCA is a professional qualification, so it's definitely going to be difficult to complete your college along with your ACCA qualification. Guys, I am going to answer each and every doubt in this video so that you can decide for your own self. Now, let us first understand, do you actually require a graduation degree along with ACCA qualification, or it is just a waste of time and money? See, guys, in India, you do require a graduation degree along with your ACCA qualification. The reason is very simple, because employers looks for candidates who have completed their graduation and is also pursuing ACCA, or candidates with graduation degree and also along with their ACC qualification. And if you compare the chances to get a job, if you are someone who has completed ACC qualification along with a graduation degree, and there is a candidate who have just done ACCA, your chances to get a job increases significantly. So the reason is very simple, because employers are preferring candidates who have also done a graduation along with ACCA. So you should definitely go with a graduation degree. Now let's answer the second question. Is it going to be very difficult for me to complete my ACCA paper preparation along with the college? And how am I going to manage my ACCA preparation along with the college? Is it going to be very difficult? The answer is no. See, listen, you just need to spend 3 to 4 hours daily for your ACCA preparation, and that's enough. That is also before the 2 months of your ACCA examination. If you are spending 4 hours daily, then you can complete the syllabus, you can practice, you can give mocks, you can do everything very easily. But listen, if you're someone who is targeting two papers and taking 6 months of time period just to prepare for those two papers, then I will advise you that you should go for one paper each quarter. The reason is very simple. You have one paper, you are going to take tension about one paper, you just need to be sorted about the concepts for just one paper. A lot of students do this, that they are taking 6 months time just to complete two papers, and they are going to sit for two papers altogether. In this way, you are going to be very tense about both the papers. You will be feeling like how to complete the syllabus, how to practice for both the paper together. So it's better to go with one individual paper each quarter, and along with your college you will be able to complete these examinations very smoothly. Now let's move towards the most asked question. Should you go for a regular college or a private college? Now let's first discuss what kind of college they are. Now regular college is like basic college, which we go and attend classes and give examination along with the classes, and private college where we just go and give the examination. We do not attend the classes and we don't need to give a lot of assignments and all, like the basic assignment which are required from the college side that you need to appear for. That's it. You don't have the pressure to attend the classes. There is no attendance requirement in the private college. And for the regular college, you need to give PPTs, assessment classes and everything, just like how the college is. Now my personal advice is you should definitely go for a regular college, and if you can afford and you can target a top B school, then you should definitely target a top B school. The reason, because ACCA is going to teach you all the concepts, all the knowledge, but the personality development, this is something which you can only develop during these college days, or I can say during these college years, because you can see a huge transformation, how you talk, how you represent yourself, and the connection and everything. ACCA is definitely going to help you along with your knowledge, and it is going to give you a professional qualification badge. But college is going to help you a lot with a lot of things. I cannot describe like how college has changed my life and how college changed other students' life too. And this time period, or I can say these years, are not going to come back again. If you can manage and if you can afford, then you should definitely go and utilize this time to find more opportunities to build your connections. And yes, it is going to be a bit difficult to manage your attendance along with your ACC qualification, because they both require your hard work, your dedication, your determination. And if you can manage and build a proper strategy for both both of them, then I'm telling you, you are going to thank yourself. Now you might be thinking like, why Norin, why are you not advising us to go with a private college? Is ACCA not enough? And if we go with a private college, then we can just focus upon our ACCA professional qualification, and then we can become an ACCA affiliate and a member like very quickly. Guys, understand one thing. When you are studying for ACCA, this is a very lonely qualification, or I can say this is a very lonely journey. When you are studying and you're just studying for like months, you will feel like you have no one to talk. You will feel like you are just trapped in this cycle of studying and giving examination, and it can be a depressing phase for you. Your personality is going to get weak. Your communication, because you are not communicating with anyone, you are not interacting with anyone, your communication will also suffer. So overall, it is going to impact your personality, your communication, and that is the main reason why I don't suggest you to go with a private college. But if you feel like, no, it is next to impossible for me to go to regular college and it is very difficult for me to manage regular college, then you can go to a private college, because it is better to have something rather than having nothing. And yes, graduation is required along with your ACCA professional degree. So if you cannot manage to go to regular college, then private college can be an option for you. And one more thing, guys, these 3 to 4 years, or I can say these college years, are going to be very important for you. You should not waste them just for the sake of fun or any other activities. Okay, it is very important that you come across a lot of things which excites you and opportunities which are going to help you find out the purpose of your life. You are going to come across a lot of connections which can be a true asset for you. Why? Because they can help you get into opportunities which you are dreaming about. Okay, and a lot of people can open doors for you. So it is super important that you find out good people and not get involved with bad people. I know I might be sounding some kind of professor right now, but it is super important that you understand this thing to find out good and bad for your own self, and you don't get involved into things which are just wasting your time, because your journey, your route, or I can say your college life is going to be very different from other people, because they are just doing college, but you are going to do ACCA qualification along with the college. And one more target I am going to give you, to find out new opportunities for yourself. And yes, do earn money from your opportunities and try to freelance your talent. Why? Because during this time, if you are earning from this time itself, you are going to feel a sense of independence. I'm telling you, you are going to feel like you can do anything in your life. You don't need to rely on your parents for fulfilling your wishes. If you try to earn money and if you get successful, then it is going to be a win-win situation for you. And if in case you fail, then it is going to be completely fine. Why? Because this is the time period where you can experiment. Once you get little old, once you are 25, 26, then it's going to be very difficult that you can experiment and you can just go with the things which you like, because this is the time period. I'm telling you, 18 to 24 is a time period where you can experiment as much as you want. You can get into opportunities, you can freelance, you can try different ways of earning money, and if you get successful, then you are going to thank yourself so much. And the reason why I'm advising you this, because I myself have done this. I handled an Instagram page, I monetized my Canva designs, I volunteered a lot of events, and I started with this YouTube channel, and look, I have such a big and beautiful community for myself. And these are the opportunities which will open doors for you to earn money. And I earned money from each and every opportunity. So that is the main reason why I want you to get out of your comfort zone and build this confidence for your own self, that yes, you can earn money from an early age. It is not necessary for earning money, it is not necessary that you need to be an ACC affiliate. You can earn money from an early age, and this time period is going to teach you a lot of things, a lot of key skills which will help you a lot during your journey. So guys, that was it for this video. And lastly, if you liked my video and found it useful, then you know what to do. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Till then, bye bye, and take very good care of yourself.